Okay, we're starting our episode. What Jester Zombie wants to show us. So let's start. Okay, so look. All of our type of fruits is healthy. Eat this at home and always eat. If you eat chocolate and you eat kiwi, pear, 2 pears or 2 orange every day, so you can be healthy and stay good. But why did you throw these fruits with the oranges thrown right to the table? Pears, kiwis, were in the floor? No, there's no in the floor. So why you did that? Because I just wanna make my beautiful episode. That really looks like beautiful. It looks like a foreign stuffs. What? That looks like a foreign stuffs through. I think we are finished. Well, okay. So that was very good. Let me. Wait, it's not finished. We're still recording it. So that was good. So bye bye.